Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove an object on CapCut PC from a video. So get your video ready. I'll just change the ratio here. Sorry. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste that. And I am going to select mask. Actually, I'm just going to freeze the frame here. And then I will use the remove, the AI remove here. Oh, I can't remove it. Okay. But once this has been removed, for instance, you got something like this, you're just going to select mask and you're going to select mirror. Oh, sorry, the horizontal one. Do this. Whoops, sorry, wrong one. Wrong way. Then you're going to feather it out to smooth out the edges. Like so. You'll see this a little bit because it moved places, but on the first area it will be gone. But you're going to use that feature. I can't unfortunately use it anymore. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.